Hello everyone, this is Veronica, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is making some felt flowers. Yep, and it's been a while since I've actually came on here and spoke and did not do a voiceover, so I thought I would come on here and interact live. So here we go. So the die that I'm going to use is this one right here from xoxo. And I love this die, you guys. I love it for felt, not for paper. And reason being is because you'll see right here, you see these pointy pieces right here sticking out. So when you go and roll this flower, those are sticking up like so, like this. And so it's leaving the flower like this. And see, I do not like that at all. I mean, I attempted to put some tulle in there, and I did do that, and it made it look just slightly better, but still you can see right through it. I don't like that. I do not like that. I rather that part be flat rather than like this. You know, right here in the picture it looks really pretty. It doesn't look like there's any space there, but I mean, you can see space when you make it. So perfect for felt because those pointy pieces right there, a pointy area, is perfect for felt. So I did make some miniature felt flowers last year. I made these ones right here using, I believe, yes, a xoxo die as well, which was perfect as well. But look at how miniature they are. I sent this off for Valentine's to a few people. And so I decided to make some larger ones and went out and bought this from Amazon. So that is perfect right there. So I'm going to go ahead and die cut everything and then be back. So here is one piece, and I'm using felt, and my felt is from Hobby Lobby. This wasn't on sale. I went ahead and went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up so many colors right here. I picked up a dark green, and then I picked up the mint, the red, the pastel pink, and then the fuchsia pink here. What you want to do is get the really thick felt, and let me see if this felt has the inches on it. And so that is what that looks like right there. And it doesn't, well, it does kind of, well, I'm not sure. No, it doesn't. You need a thick felt. So look at that. And I'm going to compare it to the fuchsia because they didn't have a thick felt in the fuchsia. So if you can see here the thickness, so there it is right there. So you want the thicker one. I think it looks better than the thinner felt. So that's just my opinion. You can go ahead and try it. See, the thinner felt is less costly, and see right there, it is 33 cents a sheet. So I'm going to move this over. Oh, you want to get this. This is pricey. This is $2.49 a sheet at Hobby Lobby, but look at this. It's gold, and it is the faux glitter sheet. So you want that. I love it so much, you guys. And it is a must. I think, in my opinion, it is a must. So let's go ahead and roll this. So what you're going to want is this. You're going to want some sort of tweezer. Any tweezer would be fine. You're going to want a circle for the backing. And let's see if I have one. And I don't. So I have this Spellbinders die. Let me get the package. So here it is. You can cut this on your own, just, you know, freehand cut, or you can use the die. So what I do, I found it easier just to do this. So if you can get a template, that would be awesome. I don't even run it through because I think it's just so much faster just to do this. So this is what I do all the way around. And this is so easy, you guys. Easy peasy. So there it is right there. Okay, so let's go. Oh, you're gonna need hot glue as well. So let's go ahead, find the backing, if you can see the difference. So I like this side for the front. So what I do is I just grab my tweezer and I put it like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll, and as we're rolling, we're gonna put this piece right here, the start, on this second pointy area, and so on. So this is what you're gonna do. So here we go. So just roll. And you see how it's hanging over there? That's fine. And you see how it meets? So that's what you want right there. So now I take the tweezer out, you see it? And then I just start rolling and continue that pattern all the way around as you roll. So there's that pointy area, you want it there. So now on this part, once you roll it, you're gonna start just to tuck it under. Okay, so now we're gonna glue right here. And that's where we're gonna glue it at. So let me get my hot glue. Okay, here we go. And that's what it looks like right there. So pretty, you guys. And so now we're gonna need the leaves. The package doesn't have for leaves, but I love leaves, you guys. So if you have a die, you can use a die and cut out leaves with whatever leaf you would like to use or whatever material you'd like to use. But I made a template here, so this is my template and I'm gonna use this. So I made that template with that die. Okay, so here is some of that glitter. Now I'm just gonna cut a piece out here, and we're gonna need two. So what I like to use is my silicone die cut, and this silicone die cut is nifty, very useful, and so you'll see why here. So go ahead and make like a V shape. Put some hot glue down, and then your flower. Okay, so now it's dry, and what we're gonna wanna do is put this piece on the back. Like so, super easy. And there's our flower. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring over the other flowers. Here they are, you guys. Look how beautiful these are. Aren't these beautiful? I love them. Look at that mint, the pink. Oh my goodness. I can't wait for my recipient to receive these. So pretty. As you can see, the hot pink is a little thinner. You see that? And these ones, that's why I mentioned get the thicker felt. Look how thick that is. And I made some minis as well down here. Look at these. And I also made some traditional ones. So here they are. Look at this red, you guys. Such a deep red, and I love it. I used the green felt. This I did die cut the leaf. You can see the pattern on the felt. but so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love it so much, you guys. I hope you guys will try this. And if you're new here, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you watching. And to my current subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me. I appreciate you all, and I appreciate chatting with you guys in the comments. And sometimes I can't get to each comment, so I apologize for that, especially if it's been a week or so. And lately with my with the kids, well, me teaching, it has been quite busy here with testing and the first semester coming to an end. So I appreciate you guys, and I am starting to come on and visit everyone's videos, and I had to take a back seat to that. So, and I also want to mention in this video, you guys, I completely missed Cornflower Crafts giveaway, and I still want to support her, so she will be linked in the bio. I'm talking about Instagram now. She will be linked in the description below if you guys like to go and check her out. She has giveaways from time to time, and she's super sweet, you guys, and her hospitality is out the door. So go ahead and check her out. I'm subscribed to her as well, and I do comment on her videos from time to time. And yeah, I will have her linked below. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.